All right, what's up, YouTube? I'm back. Been a long time since I posted a vlog. I think, was it since Stone Mountain was the last one? But I've been a little busy lately, just you know, making things happen. You know, having fun with life and everything like that. Right now, I'm just about to head to Brunswick, Georgia, and more specifically Jekyll Island, to film a wedding for a friend of mine from college, Mike. So that's about to be fun right now, and I'm gonna see a few other, you know, old friends from college as well, and meeting up with a special young lady who's gonna be you know, hanging out with me for the weekend as well. So anyway, that's about it for now. I've just been working hard. We're trying to get this money. Got a new, you know, of course, the international trip coming in the fall. I may be able to take more trips because I just ran across a discount international airlines. So that may be the next move. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to this traffic and I'll catch you guys shortly. All right, so I'm almost here in Brunswick now, in the, you know, Jekyll Island area, and it's raining. So now I talked with my friend. He says that since it's gonna be on the island, on Jekyll Island, there's not any rain going on there. So right now, only time will tell. But I'm gonna go get checked into my hotel room, meet up with him, and you know, finish up business. And hopefully it won't be raining out there, and we'll be able to get, you know, have a good wedding. So I don't know. Here we go. Okay, so I'm just now getting to my room. It's a nice, nice little quaint place here. Very nice. I like the beds and everything too. So this is a good look. Got my regular bed, but also, guys, for this trip, I brought out the real deal roly-poly. Okay, nice little flat screen to make it do what it do. That's what I'm gonna need. I need that iron to get straight. Okay, so looks like we're in business right now. If I can just get myself together. I got about an hour to get ready. So oh, this might come in handy as well. It's safe. That might come in handy. So yeah, we're here. I'm about to get onto cross over into Jekyll Island right here. So this is a big bridge that you got to go over to get to the island, I believe. So for me, it's always fun because you get to see up at the top and you know, see everything that's over here, all the beach houses, and you know, let's see if you can, I don't know if you can see that. So if anybody knows me or see my vlogs, I get excited every time I see some water, the beach, you know, whatever. That always kind of gets me excited. And yeah, look at these things here. Whew. You couldn't pay me $1 million to climb up these. But I seen this one guy in Germany. He was climbing up like tall structures like this, hanging on with one hand. I just can't. But yeah, this is a nice view. I don't know if I can show all of it over here. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go to the wedding. I don't know how much I'll actually be able to record here with this camera because I'm actually going to be filming the wedding. So I'll be working, but I'll try to get a few shots in here and there. Someone meeting me here, but may keep that a secret until tomorrow. I don't know. We may get up later on, so may check back tomorrow. You may see who met me down here. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have made it to Jekyll Island, and if you guys don't know, this is off of the coast of Georgia. Yes, the state in the United States, Georgia here. Georgia has a lot of little hidden places, man, that a lot of people don't really check out a lot. And the last time I was here was probably I was maybe 12 years old. So yeah, this is it's gonna, you know, nice to get back here and see everything that's going on. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a good wedding. Looks like the skies have cleared up, so that's good. I was really concerned about the rain. So as you can see right now, still a few drops coming down here and there, but not enough to you know, to hold off a wedding, or to, you know, because it's going to be outside. So that's why I was, you know, a little concerned. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm about to go ahead and get ready. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2 1 2. Well, got the audio check working. Alright, so we are here at the wedding. It's about to get ready to get started. And you know, everything is looking pretty good here.
Rings, each to the other. By virtue of the power vested in me, it is my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Michael Ransom.
We did it a different way.
Long time no see, dog.
Long time no see,
Poncho.
man. Hey, August the 2nd, we down here celebrating our brother Money Mike, aka Pimps. And that name has officially been retired since he married. So hey, we just down here living life, living it. You know, we've been chilling, kicking it for about what, 15 years now, man.
Oh man, it's been crazy. It's been crazy, man. All the way back from the GSU days.
Still together, man. Still family. It's always gonna be that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, man. I had to do it, man. I had to do it like that. All right, so this is where the reception is going to be at. This place right here called Villas by the Sea. And it looks like, I think these used to be like an old apartment complex or something like that. But it's pretty nice right here. And the actual main ballroom is right ahead. So everything's been going well so far. Just waiting for Mike to get here. But yeah, long day. Look at that. Somebody from Georgia Southern alumni right there. My old school alma mater. Yeah. Yeah, we out here making it work, making it work. Miss Woods, how you feeling?
I'm gonna come get you.
This water is crazy. It's all the way, it's like no sand, like no room for sand. So from beautiful Jekyll Island, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. But we making this thing happen, man. Having fun, living life. Uh-oh. You alright? You alright?
Scratch my foot.
What?
Time to go.
Oh, wow.
I wasn't right.